the gooseberry jam or amla ke rasayan. So let us see how to make this gooseberry jam. Wash the gooseberries, clean it and pressure cooker it for 2 or 3 whistles, and then take it out the fruit. Take the pulp and discard the seeds. Make it into a fine paste just by adding little water to it so that you don't have lumps in between. So the paste should be so soft that our jam also, whenever we are doing the jam, it's good. So see the consistency, it has to be soft without any lumps in between. Take this paste in a container and take the double the quantity jaggery. So if you are taking 1 cup of paste, take 2 cup of jaggery or even 3 cups of jaggery, because the gooseberries are little bitter in taste. They will be like not very sweet. So to equalize it, you have to take 2 or 3 cups of jaggery and soak it in water and leave it for 10 minutes. You can see the jaggery is soaked in water for 10 minutes, and mix it properly and then filter it, because the jaggery can have some impurities or dust particles or sand particles in it. Yes, so filter it. Now take the pulp you have made and put it in a pan and add the jaggery syrup to it and mix it completely. So reduce the flame to the minimum and keep on mixing it. So mix it completely, keep on stirring it without leaving a gap in between, and you can see the bubbles and froth coming out when the jaggery starts becoming thicker. And after 35 to 45 minutes of boiling, you can see the jaggery water has made the amla paste more thick, and you can see the consistency is changed, but it has to be boiled more. And now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, the clarified butter, and keep on boiling. Scrap out the edges or the corners so that we don't waste the jam when cooking. And now you see the ghee is coming out from the jam, so this is the good stage saying that the jam is almost ready. So another boil for 2 minutes, and take a hand gloves and use it, because there could be some damages to the skin. Now I'm going to add the tricatu powder, the long pepper, the bell pepper, and the dried ginger. Make it a powder, fine powder, and put it in a vessel. So this can be taken into variants with the tricatu powder, that is 3 spices powder, or with honey. So anything is possible. When adding honey, see to that the jam is cooled down completely, and after that you add the honey and mix it and then have it. So you can have 2 variants, and whenever you want you can mix it together and have it. So this can be taken with breads, chapatis, dosas, idlis, or even 1 spoon every day in the morning, and to keep yourself fit, and which boosts the immunity, and which, because amla has the high source of vitamin C in it, and this is going to balance the 3 doshas, rejuvenate the skin, and give a very good immunity. Store it always in a glass bottle, and as we have not added any preservatives, I prefer you refrigerate it. So whenever you want to have it, take it 30 minutes before, keep it outside, and you can consume it. So now the tasty, yummy amla jam is ready.